Hey there, what's up? I hope you're doing great today. In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Apple AirPods 2. And the reason you may want to do this is maybe one of your AirPods is working and the other one isn't, or maybe they're just not working properly at all, or for any other reason that you may want to reset it. This is the fastest way to reset your AirPods without even having to go into the settings. All right, so it's super quick. As you can see, these AirPods, once you flip this open, they will show up, so they are already connected. So to reset it, what you will do is you will actually disconnect them and connect them once again very quickly. And the quickest way to do this is you can close this tab now because the light is here on the front. You're gonna just press and hold the little button here on the back. So I'm gonna press and hold it until the light just completely shuts off like this, that it's not blinking anymore. Once you see that the light stops blinking like this, that means that it's ready to pair. So all we'll have to do now is just open it and it will automatically show up on your iPhone, and then all you have to do is hit connect and voila, it will connect super quickly. And that was a quick reset for your Apple AirPods 2. This is the quickest way to do it. The other way to do it is you can go into the settings, go to Bluetooth, go ahead and find your AirPods. So the other way you can do it is you can also hit on the eye here and select forget this device. Forget device. It's going to remove it from all my accounts. Okay. And that is the other way to reset the AirPods. But this way it does take a little bit longer through the settings. And then once you're ready, you can just go ahead and open your AirPods again. It will automatically show up here. Just hit connect. Now we'll have to press the button again. And there you go. They will connect like that as well, although that method does take just a little bit longer. All right, so that was how you reset your Apple AirPods 2. And that was actually the two methods that you can do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.